Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Marwah and I am 7 years old.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Leenah and I'm 4 years old. Well, my birthday is gonna be in 4 days. Marwah, look at my fancy new apron.
Yeah.
Look at my fancy shiny name.
Yeah, and look at our logo. It says MLK. Oh, what does it stand for?
Marwah and Leenah's kitchen.
Oh yeah, let's give a shout out to Khala Mariam Dad Boy for helping our mom out with the decals.
Thank you, Khala Mariam, for helping us with the decals.
One other thing we had to mention is our new hijabs.
Thank you, Little Pearls Kids
hijabs.
for these pretty hijabs.
We love them and they're so pretty.
Yeah, they're matching our mom's clothes that she's wearing right now.
Okay, let's stop talking about our clothes. Let's start talking about baking.
On today's show, we're going to be making chocolate cake, and it's one of my mom's family recipes.
And we really love the taste of the cake. And
Yeah,
even with
because it's so yummy. It's like darker than this.
and even when we have icing on top of it, it's really yummy. I can eat like the whole cake.
Yeah. And the best thing about it is that you can lick it, and the also best part is that it's so easy also because you just pour everything in one bowl and then go shove it in the oven and then it's ready. I'm gonna tell you the ingredients you need. You need some whole wheat flour, more whole wheat flour, and you need some cocoa powder, and you also need to sift it because then it'll get lumps in there and then you won't like it how it is. So just sift it, and then when it's halfway done, then you just like push them with your fingers. It's okay if your fingers get dirty because when you're baking your hands are supposed to get dirty, but then you're supposed to like mush the lumps a little bit, and then yeah, and you need some dark sugar and some more dark sugar.
And you also need 2 eggs, baking powder and baking soda, some oil and milk, and some vanilla.
Okay, the last thing you need is a grown-up's help because it's boiling hot water. I don't think I can ever pour that until I'm a grown-up. Okay, so we also need some pans because we're gonna butter them, and we're gonna tell you something at the end that we're gonna do with them. It's really special.
So right now we're gonna butter our pans, and we're gonna put parchment paper on the bottom because it's really moist and we don't want it to stick to the pan.
You don't wanna have your cake sticky and then it'll be like, and then you'll start to cry because the cake is like sticking on some of it. Parchment paper is this.
This is parchment paper. It's basically kind of like paper, but it's for baking. Let's get started.
Make sure you wash your hands before you start.
And don't forget to say Bismillah.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're just blending up all the dry ingredients.
So now we're just gonna add all the wet ingredients.
Put it. Whoa.
First, mix all the stuff so that everything is wet.
Yeah. So the last thing we have to do is pour the hot water because our mom gave us the hot water.
So, oh my god, this batter looks so good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pour in the hot water. Whoa, be careful, it's hot. You might need a grown-up because this is very hot. Oh God, that looks so yummy.
Yeah. Isn't it fun doing Marwah and Leenah's kitchen? So fun.
In order to decorate our cake, we're gonna make chocolate ganache, which is simply just hot whipping cream and poured over chocolate. And it's really hot. Let it sit for a minute or two and then stir it.
Should I count to 10?
No.
Once it's done, and it looks shiny and glossy, you just stop mixing it because we're mixing right now, and then you stop mixing it, and then you put it in the fridge
To thicken it.
thicken it a little bit. Okay, the cakes are done. Done.
So how we checked the cake is that we put a toothpick in and inserted it, and when we took it out, it should come clean. So we took it out and it was clean. So then we took it out and then we let it cool down on a cooling rack. And a grown-up helped us to put the cakes on the cooling rack. So we put our ganache in the freezer to thicken up, and now it is ready, and it's really.
We're gonna put it in a piping bag.
So the technique I'm using is I put my piping bag in a cup, in a tall glass, and now I'm just gonna put my ganache in. The reason why I put it inside the glass is so that it's easier to put inside the piping bag without having to hold it.
I'm gonna go get some of my sprinkles that I want.
I'm gonna start decorating my cake.
Squeeze from the top, okay?
You should never squeeze from the bottom because then it can go up and eventually it will go everywhere. Like you're piping from the top of a piping bag. So since we have more chocolate stuff, we're gonna do some more chocolatey.
But it's gonna be chocolate shaving.
Yes.
And I have sprinkles, 3 different kinds of sprinkles. Stars for the winter time when it's night. And some fall, because it's fall leaves, canna leaves. And some snow for winter time because it's autumn and it's almost winter.
We're finally done decorating our cakes.
I'm gonna give mine away to our neighbor Mary V because she was so nice to us one time because a few days ago we were gone and she took care of our fish. So we wanted to give her some nice cards and gifts to her because she took care of our
And now this cake is for us, and we're gonna have a taste test right now.
Now we're gonna taste the cake and don't forget to say Bismillah. Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. My tummy, tummy, tummy.
Yummy. I can taste the ganache and it's so good. And the cake is so moist.
I think we did a really good job, Marwah.
Alhamdulillah.
Try again.
Alhamdulillah. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Jazakallahu khairan
for watching. Stay tuned for our video next week. We're going to be making something with apples.
Yeah, and inshallah, you tell us what you want to make with apples in the comments below, and inshallah we'll make it. But nothing with apple and Nutella, because no one in this house likes Nutella. Right?